We're out here at Amerson River Park today. This is where we get out at. These would be the steps at the south entrance, the brag jam pull out. Basically, we put people on the water and they come down, they float, and we get out at these steps. Today we had Brown's pressure washing come out. When they came out, they cleaned up all these steps for us that were caked in mud. It was slippery, it was nasty. You had to hold on to the railing just to get by. He came out today, he was kind enough to volunteer his time, did all of these steps for us, got all the mud off of it, so it's ready to float this weekend. The river level is back to where it needs to be now. I mean, this is gonna be beautiful this weekend. The water's perfect, everybody's ready to come out. I'm renting tubes and kayaks up at the shop. So y'all come on out. We've got tubes, kayaks. Tubes are $10, kayaks are $30. Put you on the water for 2 hours, or you can do the all day for 15 bucks. I mean, guys, we got the shuttle bus. If you got your own tubes, come see us for that. We've got it all. So come on by, come see us out of the park, and give Brown's pressure washing a like. Thank you, Georgia Drone Pros, for coming on out. We'll see y'all out on the water.